the factor theorem to determine whether the given expression, so determine is yes or no, whether the expression is a factor of each polynomial. So in question number 5, it says, is x minus 5 a factor of this polynomial? The first thing you're going to do is change this. You're going to set it equal to 0. Set equal to 0. Let's do that. X minus 5 equals 0. Class, to solve for x, you're going to have to do what? Add 5 to both sides. So x is equal to 5. I want to stress this point because it is super important. It's going to help you for the next couple of weeks. X minus 5 is the same thing as x equals 5. X minus 5 is the same thing as x equals 5. Sometimes you'll see x minus 5 in parentheses. Okay? Now the next thing I'm going to do is take this x equals 5 and replace it for every x value. Now I have f of 5 equals 5 to the third power. Notice I'm doing a substitution with parentheses. And then we did this problem back in last week, right? Alright. Angel R. 5 to the third power. Angel, should I do 5 squared or 5 times 5? Which is what? Good. This one becomes? Yep. Angel R, keep going.
That's 125 plus 125 minus 10.
And all of that becomes?
140. 240.
Raise your hand if you got 240. So let's draw a sketch. Put your finger on the degree of the polynomial. Show your partner. Give a head nod. Partner A, tell partner B, what does it tell you about the arrows? Ready, set, go. Brendan, what's the degree of the polynomial? Odd or even? Where are the arrows?
Starts down and
Correct. If I graph the order pair 5, 240, 5, 240, my graph has to go there. So if I sketch a graph now, and from last week, we kind of made a line through x equals 5. Okay, this is Friday's lesson. Class, does it touch the x-axis on the pink line here? Does it go through the x-axis, the graph? No, it doesn't. So no, it is not a factor. Alright, let me connect this now to today's lesson. So this was the graph, this was Friday's lesson, and I was kind of noting that if it does cross the x-axis, then it's a factor. Well, in today's lesson, we learned that if you have no remainder, then it is a factor. But if you have a remainder, then no, it's not a factor. So class, do we have a remainder? Yes. Is it going to be a factor? No. Remember, the big idea in the factor theorem is it's a factor if your remainder is 0. So it's not a factor because we have a remainder.
I love man.